Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue east on US Highway 98, beginning at mile 282.1 as we enter Perry on West Hampton Springs Avenue. Perry is the Taylor County seat and the county's only incorporated city, with an estimated population of 7,306 as of 2024. It started as Rosehead, was renamed Perrytown in 1875 for Florida Governor Madison Stark Perry, and was incorporated in 1903. The city still leans into its timber heritage as the tree capital of the South, and its best-known annual event is the Florida Forest Festival, with the world's largest free fish fry, the King Tree Parade, and lumberjack competitions. If you're stopping here, downtown has a historic walking trail, and the Forest Capitol Museum State Park is one of the best introductions to the industry that shaped this part of North Florida. Up ahead is one of the more interesting junctions on the whole U.S. highway system. We'll turn right onto Byron Butler Parkway and pick up US-19 South, alternate US-27 South, and for a short stretch, US-221 truck. From here, US-19 South will head toward Cross City and Chiefland, while US-27 North continues east toward Mayo before curving north through inland Florida. The big story, though, is that we stay on US 98 while its posted direction changes from east to south right here at this intersection. That's a real road geek moment. The usual numbering rule says even-numbered US highways are east-west and odd-numbered ones are north-south, but there are other exceptions. US 52 is even-numbered and still signed north-south in Iowa, West Virginia, Virginia, and North Carolina. And yes, a US route can change its posted cardinal direction within a single state. A stranger example is US 321 in Elizabethton, Tennessee, where at its junction with US 19E, both ways leaving the intersection are signed southbound on highway markers. At Jefferson Street on the left, we come to the US 221 connection. The truck route leaves us here. The hidden SR30 designation ends, and hidden SR55 comes in from the left to continue south with US 19, US 98, and alternate US 27. US 221 heads north toward Greenville and Quitman. Along this stretch, Perry still has the feel of an old highway town, with several vintage motor lodges lining the roadside. Byron Butler Parkway carries us around the west side of downtown, and a little farther south, Perry-Foley Airport sits just off the highway. Once we clear the city, the businesses will thin out, the corridor opens up, and we'll slip back into unincorporated Taylor County. We conclude today's video at mile 292.0 in unincorporated Taylor County. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.